Woodpeckers, Miss Stewart here. I want to do one more day on collecting like terms, and this video is just a recap of what we've done already and also clearing up misconceptions as well on like terms. So if you remember, like terms are terms whose variables and their exponents are the same. In other words, terms that are like each other. For example, 7x, x and minus 2x are like terms because the variables are all x. Let me give you another example. Got xy squared minus 2xy squared, 6xy squared, and xy squared divided by 2. So again, they are all like terms because the variables are all xy squared. If they are not like terms, they are called unlike terms. Let me give you an example. So minus 3xy minus 3y and 12y squared are unlike terms because they are not the same, because you've got xy, y and y squared, because their variables or their exponents are different. So combining like terms, this is what we looked at last week, woodpeckers. So we've got 7x plus x. Remember, you're collecting them together because they're like terms. 7x plus x equals 8x. A misconception that came up last week is some of you for your answers were putting things like 8 plus x for your answer. Remember, please don't do that. The number goes next to the letter, so 8x. And also another misconception that came up last week was the following. For example, 1x. We don't write an answer as 1x. You don't need the number. If it's only one of it, you just write x. Or if it was the answer was 1b, you wouldn't put 1b. You just write the letter b. Right, have a go at collecting like terms. From what I've seen last week, as a class you've been brilliant at it. Have one more day of practicing so you feel really confident. Let me know how you get on. Good luck, woodpeckers. Bye for now.